In primetime news this evening, nothing to hide. PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell reacts to serious allegations. National Integrity Action NIA calls on police to reopen case against Dr. Dayton Campbell. And CXC announces new dates.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on CXC delaying examinations by 2 weeks? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.